Hello po sa inyong lahat. So for this video po, pag-uusapan natin sa differential calculus. But this time, we will do po quotient rule. But before that, sana po ay matap nyo po yung like, share, at saka po follow po the page for more videos. So for quotient rule po, yung ating formula dyan ay, susulat ko siya ha, V, yan, du minus u dv all over v squared. So, i-follow lang po natin yung formula ni quotient rule. So, ngayon is, nasan yung v at saka nasan yung u natin? Of course, ito po yung ating u at ito po yung ating v. So, ipa-plot natin siya or isusulat po natin siya based po sa ating given na formula. So, sulat natin. So, ngayon isusulat natin si V, which is si 1 plus x squared. Sulat natin siya, x squared. So, lagyan natin siya ng parenthesis. Tapos, ayan makikita nyo dito, derivative of your u, which is lagyan natin ng V times our u, which is itong si x. Lagay natin dyan. Minus, ayan siya. Tapos si u na naman, copy natin. Again, si u natin si x, si v natin ay si 1 plus x squared. Tapos, the derivative po of our v. So, derivative of our v, which is 1 plus x squared. Okay. All over, so divide natin siya. Ayan ang ating v. Okay, v squared. Ayan. So, 1 plus x squared raised to 2. So, yan po, no? So, follow lang natin again yung ating formula sa taas. Like, v du minus u dv, yan siya, over v squared. So, yun po. Very easy lang, no? Okay, next naman ay, ayan, kukunin na natin yung derivative natin. Okay, change ko lang yung color. So, ito, hindi natin kukunin yung derivative niya, no? Unlike dito, dx. So, copy lang natin siya. So, 1 plus x squared. Tapos, the derivative of x is 1. Minus, okay, copy ulit natin si x. Tapos, derivative po ng ating 1 plus x squared. So, the derivative po of a constant is 0. Lagyan natin 0. Derivative po ng x squared is 2x. Okay? Kasi po, ang derivative po ng x squared, itong 2, malalagay po as a coefficient, copy x, tapos 2 minus 1. So, 2 minus 1 is 1. So, basically, 2x na lang po yung natitira dyan. All over, ayan, all over our v squared. So, that's 1 plus x squared raised to 2. So, ngayon ang gagawin natin ay isi-simplify na lang po natin siya kasi tapos na natin siyang ma-derive. Ayan siya. So, of course, change ko lang yung color. 1 plus x squared times 1 is still 1 plus x squared. So, copy lang natin siya. Okay? Tapos ito, x times 0, of course, that's 0. Tsaka x times 2x is 2x squared. Again, property of exponent, x times 2x. Copy lang natin si 2 kasi magiging 2 times 1, so 2. Tapos yung x natin, same base. If i-multiply natin siya, ma-add lang po yung exponent. Kaya 2x squared po yan. Negative po kasi negative times positive is negative. Yan siya. Tapos, copy ulit natin yung ating 1 plus x squared raised to 2. Okay. Actually, pwede na po, no? This is already acceptable na answer. However, pwede pa rin po natin itong i-simplify pa. Now, to simplify further, pwede nating, ayan, i-separate po si 1 plus x squared at saka si 2x squared. So, pwede po natin yung isulat as 1 plus x squared. Tapos, over 1 plus x squared raised to 2 minus, kasi minus yan, 2x squared, tapos copy lang po natin yung kanyang denominator. Okay? Because if we will get the common denominator, it's still 1 plus x squared raised to 2. Tapos as you can see, dito isang 1 plus x squared, dito naman dalawa, pwede natin i-cancel. Ma-cancel yung isa dyan. So, yan ma-cancel, yan ma-cancel. So, yung matitira is C1 over 1 plus x squared. Dito naman, wala na tayong maka-cancel po dyan. Never po tayong magka-cancel ng x squared tas x squared dito. That's a no-no po, okay? Kasi meron po tayong arithmetic operation between 1 plus x squared. So, as is na po natin yan. Okay? Ganyan. So, yan po. Yun po yung ating answer. So, for more videos like this, don't forget po to follow our page.